welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making Tandoori Momos. Normally this is a steamed dumpling with some sort of filling. Today I will be making a cabbage onion filled and fried on the outside with a red garlic chutney for the dipping. So let's get started making these Tandoori Momos. Let's get into the ingredients. 2 cups of maida, 2 cups of grated cabbage, a half a cup of grated red onion, 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, a half a tablespoon of garlic paste, a half a tablespoon of ginger paste, 4 tablespoons of Besan flour, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon cilantro. Firstly, making the momos dough. Mix together maida, salt to taste. Slowly add in the water as required till reaching a dough consistency. Cover and set aside. Next, the filling. Mix together cabbage, red onion, salt to taste, removing the extra water from the cabbage and red onion, place the mixture into a dishcloth and squeeze tightly. Place back into the bowl, add pepper to taste, olive oil. The dough has rested. Now tear the dough into small pieces. Roll out and fill with the cabbage mixture, then carefully pleat up the dough. Garlic chutney ingredients: 1 tomato, 18 garlic cloves, 15 dried chilies. Place into the blender dried red chilies, tomato, garlic cloves, salt to taste, olive oil, mix together Besan flour, salt to taste, chaat masala, fenugreek leaves, Kashmiri red chili powder, black salt, garam masala, lemon juice, cilantro, garlic paste, ginger paste, yogurt. For more color, add Kashmiri red chili powder, Heat up 1/4 cup olive oil and mix in thoroughly. On medium heat, add the momos to the oil to fry. Fry until the momos are golden brown. Place the fried momos into the masala mixture, coat evenly. On medium heat, add the momos onto the pan till they have a nice sear on them. Another way is to place the momos on a skewer and cook them on the open flame. Lastly, placing the momos into a bowl, time to add the final touches: red onion, cilantro, chaat masala, lemon juice. Give it a good shaking. Look at these mouth-watering momos. I hope you enjoyed this video. These momos are so scrumptious, everyone will enjoy this amazing dish. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And I'll see you guys on my next video.